Taehyung, better known as V from the globally renowned K-pop group BTS, has once again touched the hearts of his fans. This time, the idol has shown his concern for the major tragedy unfolding in Los Angeles, United States. The devastating wildfires that have forced thousands to lose their homes have caught the attention of this superstar. What did Taehyung do? Check out the news below. Through his social media account, Taehyung posted a heartfelt message. He wrote, "My heart is with everyone affected by the wildfires in Los Angeles. Stay strong and take care of each other. We are with you." Wow, isn't that touching? Not only words, but Taehyung also included an illustration of prayer with the hashtag #StayStrongLA, which quickly went viral online. But that's not all. Taehyung also secretly made a donation. Trusted sources revealed that Taehyung's funds were used to address the urgent needs of victims, including food, clean water, and temporary shelter. Wow. Taehyung truly is an idol with a golden heart, isn't he? And as always, ARMY, the name for BTS fans, did not stay silent. Taehyung's support immediately sparked a massive movement. Thousands of fans worldwide organized fundraising campaigns through various platforms. Even the hashtags #TeamForLA and #AirMyForLA became trending topics. Many fans also shared stories about how they were inspired by the idol to directly help victims. Wow, isn't the power of love from a single Taehyung incredible? One fan wrote on Twitter, "Taehyung always teaches us to be better humans. He's not just an idol, he's an inspiration." Who wouldn't be moved reading this? Taehyung truly proves that a public figure can make a real positive impact. For your information, the Los Angeles wildfires this year are described as some of the worst in history. Thousands of hectares of land have been consumed by flames, homes have been destroyed, and thousands of residents have been forced to evacuate. Not to mention the impact on wildlife, many of which have lost their habitats. Oh dear, it's truly horrifying. Even though firefighters have been working tirelessly, unfavorable weather conditions have made it difficult to completely extinguish the fires. In such a challenging situation, support from various parties is essential. And Taehyung's actions have become a beacon of hope for the victims. Who would have thought that a K-pop idol could make such a significant impact in helping others? It's no surprise that BTS is known as a group that cares deeply about humanitarian issues. From the Love Myself campaign to donations for various disasters, BTS and its members have always demonstrated their concern. And this time, Taehyung has once again proven that he is not only talented, but also has a heart of gold. Many international media outlets have praised Taehyung's actions. They say that what Taehyung did is concrete proof of how a star can use their influence for good. Truly admirable, isn't it? Taehyung once said that he wants to be a source of happiness and comfort for many people. And this time, he has truly fulfilled his words. His support and donations bring new hope to those struggling with this tragedy. Wow, if every idol were like Taehyung, the world would surely be a better place, wouldn't it? Through small but meaningful actions like this, Taehyung proves that love and compassion can unite the world. Let's pray for the victims of the Los Angeles wildfires to recover soon, and may more people be inspired to help one another. Stay tuned with us for more inspiring news.